In a small orphanage lived a boy named Arav, whose eyes sparkled with dreams of family. He longed for a home, a mother's lullaby, a father's guidance, and a place to belong. One day, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma visited with their son Rohan. They noticed Arav's gentle nature and were drawn to him. After several visits, the Sharmas decided to adopt Arav. For Arav, it felt like his prayers had been answered. Leaving the orphanage was bittersweet, but hope filled his heart as he held Mrs. Sharma's hand. The world outside was vast and new. At their home, Rohan greeted him with curiosity. Everything was unfamiliar: the smells, the colors, the warmth. Arav felt shy but excited. This was his new beginning. He had to learn to be part of a family. The journey ahead was uncertain, but for the first time, he felt he truly belonged. Arav's story was just beginning, in a home built on hope. He was no longer just a small hand in a big world. He was someone's son, and that made all the difference. The first chapter of his new life had begun. At first, Arav was quiet, calling his new parents sir and ma'am. The Sharmas showered him with patience and love, never rushing his heart. Rohan, unsure at first, soon discovered Arav's kindness. They became friends, sharing secrets and laughter. One night, Arav fell ill. Mrs. Sharma stayed by his side, soothing him with stories and lullabies. In that moment, Arav felt a mother's love for the first time. The next morning, he woke to Mrs. Sharma's gentle smile. Overcome with emotion, he softly whispered, "Ma." Tears filled her eyes. Her family was complete. Later, Arav called Mr. Sharma Papa. The words sir and ma'am faded, replaced by the warmth of Ma and Papa. With those simple words, Arav's heart found its home. The bonds of family grew stronger each day. He was no longer an outsider. He was a son, a brother, and a cherished part of the Sharmas. Love had given him a new voice, and with it, a new life. The family's journey truly began. The years passed, and the Sharma family thrived. Arav and Rohan grew up together, their dreams supported equally by their parents. The Sharmas taught them that true success meant kindness and integrity. The family often helped those in need, never forgetting their own humble beginnings. Arav visited his old orphanage, sharing books and sweets with the children. But life changed suddenly when Mr. Sharma's trusted partner betrayed him. Overnight, the family lost their business, savings, and home. The laughter faded, replaced by uncertainty. Yet the lessons of love and unity remained. The storm had arrived, testing the strength of their bonds. But even in darkness, hope flickered. Arav remembered the love that had saved him. Now it was his turn to be the pillar for his family. He promised to restore their happiness. The family faced hardship, but together they would find a way forward. Their home was no longer defined by walls, but by the love they shared. The true test of family had begun, and Arav was ready to lead them through. The journey of resilience started here. Forced into a cramped room, the Sharmas struggled with loss and despair. Mr. Sharma, once proud, was broken by betrayal. Mrs. Sharma tried to stay strong, but tears often fell. Rohan grew quiet, the family's laughter gone. The world seemed cold and unkind. Yet Arav's courage shone brightest. He reminded his family, "We've lost money, not each other." Arav took up jobs, determined to support them. His hard work inspired Mr. Sharma to seek employment and Rohan to sell his art. Together, they began to rebuild. Arav's optimism became their anchor. He encouraged his father, comforted his mother, and motivated Rohan. Slowly, hope returned to their small home. The storm had not broken them. It had revealed their strength. United by love, the Sharmas found light in the darkness. Arav's unwavering spirit led the way. The family's journey from despair to hope had begun. They would rise together, and the sun would shine again. Arav balanced college and multiple jobs, never complaining. His earnings kept the family afloat. Inspired, Mr. Sharma found work, and Rohan sold his paintings. The family worked as one, hope growing with each small victory. Arav's encouragement lifted their spirits. He brought home sweets to make his mother smile. Slowly, their fortunes improved. Arav graduated with honors and started a small business with his father. Honesty and hard work earned them trust and success. The darkness faded as the family rebuilt their lives. Arav's light guided them through the storm. Their struggles forged unbreakable bonds. Together, they found their way back to happiness. The Sharma family was whole again. Arav's business flourished, but the family remained humble and kind. They repaid every kindness shown to them during hard times. Mr. Sharma managed the company, Rohan became a celebrated artist, and Mrs. Sharma's laughter filled their home. Arav never forgot his roots. He returned to the orphanage, seeing hope in the children's eyes. A little girl, much like he once was, caught his attention. Arav and his wife adopted her, completing the circle of love. The family welcomed her with open arms. Mrs. Sharma sang her the same lullaby she once sang to Arav. Arav knew family was not about blood, but about love. He had found a home, and now he had given one. The circle of kindness was complete. The story of a small hand in a big world had come full circle, and love was at its heart.